Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Epson SureColor F6470 printer. Once you've unpackaged and removed the top lid, you should see some accessories above. You should have the printer stand along with the printer, along with some cleaning and head kit cleaning assemblies. The cleaning set and the head kit cleaning assembly you don't need at this time, so please store them in a safe location. You'll have two roller adapters that are adjustable. You'll have two power cables along with a general publication that will be above G&F bags attached to the cardboard with a printing cable. Please place these items close to the printer because we will need them to assemble the stand. Some of the boxes inside the larger box will be filler boxes that hold everything in place and are meant to keep the items safe while shipping. Who doesn't need a big box for wrapping those Christmas gifts? In this box are pieces for the take-up reel that go on the stand. We want to set those aside at this point in time. In this box we have a cleaning kit, a waste tank holder, which also go on the stand. We are going to set those aside with our other items. Here we have the head maintenance kit, along with some warning stickers and the Epson Edge software. We want to go ahead and put these in a safe place. This bar is attached between the stand along with the T1 screws that belong to the take-up reel, and here's our other adapter. Be sure that you're standing up for this one as you remove the inner parts of the cardboard along with the outer containing wall for the printer. Once you've unwrapped the smaller boxes, you'll find the left and right leg assemblies. Their arrangement is shown in the assembly diagram. This diagram depicts the stand and the take-up reel side by side, creating a visual enigma that hints at the wonders to come. Feel free to pause this video to view the diagram as a quick reference guide when assembling the lower legs. Now that your wheels are on the ground, here is the stand and the take-up reel laid next to each other in the diagram. Each side of the stand is marked with a sticker, left and right. Pay close attention as the front of the printer indicates the left side and the right side. Once you remove the tape from the center brace, you'll notice that there are already screws in there. Just remove those hexagon tools from the bags to adjust them accordingly. Please remember to lock your wheels in the locked position before placing the printer head assembly on top. The printer head assembly has two silver bars that attach to the holes underneath the printer head assembly. In this diagram, it shows you how to place the silver poles into the printer head assembly and then have 4 people assist you in lifting, 1 on each side, to place the printer on the stand. You'll need 6 screws in the T1 bag to lock the printer head in the stand. Once you have placed the printer head assembly on top of the stand, you can remove the poles and then come back and install the screws. Oh, look at what we have here. On the take-up reel, the brackets, you install one faces inward and one faces outward. These screws are the smaller set of screws. After installing the brackets, we'll grab the silver bar, make sure it's bevel side up, meaning that the groove side faces up and that the take-up reel can move easily across it. The crossbar is secured. Go ahead and grab the right take-up reel. You'll notice that the larger take-up reel will be on the right and the smaller on the left. These take-up reels pivot over the top and attach into place. Once these take-up reels are locked into place, they're secured with 2 screws on each side for a total of 4. These are the smaller set of screws. We're turning the printer around so that way you'll have a better vantage point of us installing the waste tank bracket and the waste tank line along with the cap that goes on the actual waste tank. Once this is assembled, then insert the waste tank. Go ahead and wheel it over to the perfect spot and then make sure that you're near an outlet.